So, children, the rainy season has arrived and I am having so many colorful boats for you. Do you know how to make a boat? So, let's start. Get ready with a craft paper in hand. Take a craft paper, fold it, properly. Folded it at the center. Now hold the center and give it one more fold. Press it properly. Give it a proper crease. Now you are having a small square shaped craft paper. Now take one flap and fold it on one side. Press it properly. On the other side, take the remaining 3 flaps. Triangle, open it, again fold it, press it properly, hold the tip in your hand and open it. Yes, your boat is ready. All for today. Bye bye.